In this section, we will look at ways to create a project, and we will try and understand the elements that make up iRise Studio. There are several ways to create projects inside iRise Studio. To keep it simple, let's look at just one way of creating a project within iRise Studio. So you can access the menu option File, and you can choose New, and you can choose to create a project either on your hard drive, which says Private Projects, or you can choose to create it in Definition Center. So let me create a project on my hard drive. Trying one, and I choose Create. So I have the project open on my hard drive. Now let me try and explain to you the organization of the studio. iRise Studio is designed to basically serve two purposes: to create your simulation and to augment textual or functional specifications to your simulations. So in the simulation view that you see here, you can create a simulation, and with just one mouse click away you can flip to the document view and you can add your requirements. Coming back to your simulation view, let's look at the organization of the simulation view. What you get to see here, this is the directory panel, and elements that make up the directory panel are called as chapters. It is the chapters that give life to the simulation. Beneath the directory panel and the chapters, you have the object properties panel, which displays the properties of the selected object. Now let's look at the widgets that are used for page design. The set of widgets on the leftmost side, these widgets are used to lay out the page. So these are the page layout widgets. The next set of widgets are used to allow the user to input data. So these are user input widgets. And the last set of widgets help you to define dynamic behavior and page-to-page navigation. So the link and the action widgets really help you to create simulations of functional complexity and dynamic behavior. Above the set of widgets, you have the option to format your pages so that you can add visual fidelity to your simulation. So the formatting is handled through the options present on top of the widget toolbar. The workspace can be controlled using the options present here. Coming back, this is referred to as the page, and the space surrounding the page is referred to as the canvas. So you can choose between the page and the canvas using the workspace control options. You can choose to zoom inside the page, you can choose to scroll, and thereby the studio gives you enough options to have better control over your workspace. So we looked at a way of creating a project, and we looked at the components that make up iRise Studio. In the next session, we will learn the different areas where you can use iRise Studio to fit different stages of requirements definition. Thank you.